Here we have a linear differential equation because you see dy by dx, that is first of the first order, and thereafter you see y with coefficient 3x square. So, and after the sign of equality x square, a function of x. So obviously the differential equation given in the question is a linear first order differential equation. So you know, in this type of question we first find integrating factor, and this equals e to the power integration of what? This thing, 3x square. So here will be 3x square dx, and this will be e to the power x cube. So the next step will be this thing multiplied by this, and that will be y e to the power x cube equals to, and after the sign of equality, multiplication of these two with integration. So now will be x square e to ex cube dx. Okay, so very easy to integrate this one. This can be written as 1 by 3 e to the power x cube dx cube, and this will be finally 1 by 3 e to the power x cube plus constant of integration. So what we get? We get y equals to 1 by 3 plus c e to the power minus x to the power 3. So one more thing here in the question, you see y is 4 when x is 0. So using that we can get this constant of integration. So let us do that. Y is 4, 1 by 3 plus c e to the power 0 to the power 3, and from here we get our c equals to 4 minus 1 by 3, that is 11 by 3. Okay, so c is 11 by 3. Remember this value, I am going to put that value here. Y equals to 1 by 3 plus 11 by 3 e to the power minus x by 3. Okay, now this can be written as, if you want to write precisely, then this will be yx equals to 1 by 3 plus 11 by 3 e to the power minus x cube, and here you see the limit, and let us impose limit both sides. LT x tends to infinity, LT x tends to infinity, then this will be 1 by 3 plus 11 by 3 e to the power minus infinity, and you know e to the power minus infinity is 0 because the value of e is greater than 1. So this will be 0, so final answer will be 1 by 3, and in decimal this will be 0.33. So here the answer will be 0.33. So this question is, the solution is over now.